Army Man. Yo guys, so in today's video we're going to be, I guess, kind of reviewing this set of Army Men I bought at a toy store. This isn't all of them, there's a bunch of more, as you can see back there in the box. They're like Timmy Toys copies. See the basic like Mormon pose, MG gun, or actually, what gun is this? It reminds me of the BAR. Although I'm pretty sure that's how they look. You get the crawling position guy. Get their green counterparts here. Down shooting. I have a standing up guy in shooting, which I mean I have a few other Timmy Toy ripoffs. And like the guy's like kneeling, so this will be nice, I guess, to have. The set also includes like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8 rocks, 9 actually, 2 round flags. So I guess that's cool, I guess. Some barbed wire and 2 trees. That's pretty cool. But this is all we're going to be reviewing, because I bought a few cars as well for my series, because my series is like, the conflict is it takes place in the 40s for like the timeline is the 40s, like 1948, I think, if I remember correctly from my notes I made. Anyway, and I just kind of, I'm gonna reveal a bit of lore here. The war that you see in the episodes, you haven't really seen the war, except one little short animation I made. Whatever. It's like the third World War that happens in this series, and like 2 more. And say this never is shown anywhere. I mean, I haven't made that lore video yet. I'm gonna do that at some point. And so yeah, we got the cars here. I bought these because like, oh, I need more cars for like the backgrounds and stuff. So yeah, like if I'm doing like a city attack or something, we're gonna need to get like some guy to be like going through, like, I don't know, the cars, just cars, city, oh crap, cars, just cars in a city where a battle takes place. We need something in the background other than like this one car that I have, and like another one which isn't here actually. I don't know where I put it. Anyway, so yeah, wait. So here's an Army Man for scale. Yeah, it's not really D-scale. I mean, actually, kind of are. Opens the door here, gets in. I don't know where the green is. Anyway, yeah, they're pretty nice cars. They're rather old. I like them. I feel like they would fit the aesthetic of the series. Yeah, like this open top car. Yeah, cabrio or whatever it's called, cabriolet. That's how we call them here. Anyway, we got this goofy fucking orange thing. I'm not gonna name any companies here. I don't want to get sued. I mean, I do own the product, so I don't know if that would. Whatever, not sponsored, just review. And we got this. I know this isn't from the 40s. This was like, what, 60? It doesn't say. You know, it's 88. It's from the 80s, but it still fits. I wanted a truck, transport things for the troops and stuff, you know. yeah, that's basically it. Got the shooting. Let's get back to the reviewing the soldiers. So yeah, these are basically all of the. Oh, wait, no, there's one more I'm missing here. Yeah, the commander, whatever. I'm pretty sure, like, Army Man Initiative, you know, that YouTuber, I'm pretty sure he uses, like, Team Toys, or copies like this. Shout out to him, love the channel, bro. Anyway, so you got standing up shooting guy. Focus camera. Focus. There. Got the guy here. Got M16 or something. Pretty regular. Got the mortarman. What I like, a little detail I like is he's holding another mortar ready to reload. Nice. Oop, crap. Down shooting guy. Pretty sure this is a regular crawling dude somewhere here. Oh, hold on, let me just where is it? Did it not come with one? Yeah. This is the problem with buying off brands. Sometimes it's oh wait, no, there he is. It's all the way in the damn, come on, I think I got him. No. Damn it. I got him. A bit of struggle to get. Anyway, just your regular standing down guy. Good death pose. You just like going over here, and then you just yeah, like that. Anyway, we got the bazooka dude. Pretty standard. Like this pose. I actually like this better than the kneeling one, because then you can have him like be moving, shoot, move, and stuff. We got the Flammenwerfer, Hitwerf, Slammen, flamethrower guy. Focus them. There we go. Actually, I like this one a bit more than the other ones I have, because there's more detail on the barrel. Props to the Chinese or whoever made this. Anyway, I got. I think I showed this guy earlier, but whatever. Showing him again. The machine gunner. He's missing the tripod. Or is it called the tripod? What is it called? Stand, machine gun stand, whatever. Bayonet guy. Charging like the enemy and stuff. Just fuck off. Anyway, pretty standard. And the commander. There's not much to say about him. Other than that, I don't know. Oh. We got the mine sweeping dude. I don't know. Maybe he's just a janitor of the boot camp. Just I don't know. Yeah, that's all. That's all, I guess. I mean, I didn't check the barbed wires. Can kind of interconnect here. Yeah, I guess that's kind of nice. There we go. Got barbed wire. Get the rocks. Dwayne and Johnson. Whatever. I'm cringing here. Whatever. Trees. Need them to breathe. And then the flag. That's. Oh wait, I forgot to show this. The wall. The little, whatever these are called. What's the word again? Sandbags, yes. The white or brown, I don't know. Kind of always wanted these colored sandbags. I don't know. I like them. They're pretty good. Pretty good. yeah, anyway, that's it for the review. Hit like, subscribe, and smash that bell button or whatever popular YouTubers say. Anyway, get out of here. Why are you still here?